Hey, what's up, everyone? Today, I want to break down one of those classic science questions you'll face in high school. What are the main branches of biology? Now, I know, just hearing the word biology might make you think of endless textbook pages. But trust me, once you understand how biology is divided up, it actually gets a lot clearer. And dare I say, cooler. So, let's start with morphology. Imagine you're looking at a butterfly. Morphology is all about what you see. Its wings, color, patterns. But it doesn't stop there. Morphology also looks at what's inside, like organs. Basically, it's the study of the form and structure of living things. Next time you notice how different leaves look on trees, that's morphology in action. Now, anatomy is like morphology's close cousin, but it dives deeper, literally. Anatomy gets into the nitty-gritty of what's inside our bodies, especially humans. Think of doctors studying bones, muscles, or the organs of the digestive system. Anatomy helps us figure out how our bodies work, diagnose diseases, and even invent new medical devices that save lives. Alright, moving on to physiology. This one focuses on how everything in your body actually functions. For example, how does your heart pump blood? How do your lungs get oxygen into your bloodstream? Physiology is like the behind-the-scenes director, making sure every system in your body is working together to keep you alive and kicking. Now let's shrink things way down, like microscope level. Histology is the study of tissues, which are groups of similar cells working together. When scientists examine tissues under a microscope, they learn more about diseases, test new medicines, and figure out how organs are structured. If you've ever looked at a super zoomed-in picture of animal or plant cells, you've gotten a glimpse of histology. Even smaller? That's where cytology comes in. Cytology is all about the cell, the basic building block of life. There are more than 30 trillion cells in your body, all with their own jobs. Cytologists study how cells grow, divide, and do their thing. So, if you're fascinated by DNA, cell division, or just want to know what keeps you ticking, this is the branch for you. Finally, we've got molecular biology. This is where things get really tiny. We're talking about molecules like proteins, carbohydrates, and DNA. Molecular biologists study how these molecules make life possible, how they interact, and even work on developing new medicines or genetically modified crops. So there you have it. Morphology, anatomy, physiology, histology, cytology, and molecular biology. Each branch helps us zoom in or out, from the shape of a butterfly's wings to the molecules that make up your DNA. Next time you hear the word biology, remember, it's not just one big subject, it's a whole universe of tiny wonders waiting for you to explore. Catch you next time.